So the first thing we want to do to create this wiggle text effect is to create a new composition. So go up to the top bar, click on composition, new composition, and give that comp a name. So we'll call it wiggle text. This is at HD, 25 frames a second, and it's just 10 seconds long. So once you're happy with your settings, go OK. Brilliant. So next you want to create some text. So click on the T in the top bar here, click on the screen, and we'll call it wiggle. And what we'll do is we'll just centralize that just to keep it nice and tidy. Okay, great. So once that's done, you want to create your fractal noise to give that wiggle look. So create a new solid, and we'll call it fractal noise. Doesn't matter what the color is, but let's just make it black. Okay, so now you want to add the fractal noise to that layer. So in the effects and presets, just start to write fractal noise and it'll come up. So click on it, drag and drop it onto that layer, and then you'll get this weird looking cloud effect. So to animate that, go to the left hand side with the settings, click down to where it says random seed, and there's a little stopwatch. And you need to put a thing called an expression on it. So hold the Alt key down, click on the stopwatch, and then down here you'll see that the expression for that layer has appeared. Now what an expression is, it's a way to put code onto a layer in After Effects so it can do some fancy things. So you want that fractal noise to move. So we'll write time and then 10. Now if we scrub through that line, you'll see that it's actually now moving. Right, so the next step is to right click and click on pre-compose. And then click on move all attributes into new composition and go OK. Now what you want to do is you want to put a displacement map onto the text effect. So go over in the After Effects presets, right, displacements, and displacement map will appear. Now drag and drop that onto wiggle, your text, and nothing's actually happened. So in the displacement map settings, you want to go to displacement map layer, and then click on the fractal noise. And you still won't see anything. So what you want to do is you want to turn fractal noise off, and there you go, wiggle is now wiggling. So if you want to change things like the color, click on your layer, we'll give it a little bit of a yellow tint, like so, and let's just give it a little background color. So we go to layer solid, let's give it like a blue color, go OK, and just say backgrounds. Move that to the bottom, and there you go, that's your wiggle text effect. So the last thing to do is just to go to composition up here, add to render queue, and done. And there you go, that's the wiggle text effect. I really hope that this video has been helpful to show you how you can add a bit of motion to text inside After Effects. If you've liked this video, please click the like and subscribe button so you get updated as new videos are uploaded.